Hi, it's Miss Chelsea. Thanks for joining me today. Today we are going to make 10 over and over again using different numbers. So let's get started making 10. The materials I'm using today are a dish with 10 glass pebbles. You can use anything that's about this size. I also have a stack of our number cards that we made a while ago, and mine are all mixed up on purpose. They go from 1 to 10. And I also have a tin lid with 10 buttons. So you can use anything small like this, and you need at least 10. It works perfectly to have exactly 10 though. So first I'm going to lay out these 10 glass pebbles, and you can count along with me as we lay them across right here in the middle of our space. Slide these down. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I see some more people trying to join. I'm going to let them in. Okay. So I'm going to scoot these over just a little bit. Okay. So we have our 10 glass pebbles. And next, let's spread out our numbers. So you can say the number when you see what it is, and I'll also say it. You have 8, 5, 7, 2, 10, 3, that one's upside down, 6, 9, 4, and 1. I'm so sorry some of those are upside down. Okay, let's put them in order down here at the bottom of our workspace. Slide just a little bit so you can see. Okay. All right, so let's find 1. Do you see the red one? Let's look, oh, there we go. Let's look for 2. Do you see the green 2? Now let's look for 3. Oh, do you see the pink 3 right here? Next, let's find 4. 4. There it is. There's that yellow 4. Now let's look for 5. Oh, right here, the blue 5. After 5 comes 6. Where's that 6? Oh, there it is, the purple 6. And after 6 comes 7. Which one is 7? Oh, there it is, the white 7. And after 7 comes 8. And there's our brown 8. And after 8 comes 9. So which one of these is 9? You're right, it's this one, the dark blue 9. And lastly, we have 10, our golden 10. So I'm going to put my 10 at the end of our 10 glass pebbles, because today we are going to make 10s. in lots of different ways. So let's start on this side. I want to see what one button looks like under these glass pebbles. So I'm going to put one at the top, and then I'll choose a button. How about this one? One. Okay, so we have a lot of spaces left here to try to make 10. Let's count how many glass pebbles need a button to make 10. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one that does not have a button yet. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's find our 9 here. 9. Oh, there it is. I'm going to put 9 right above our 9th button. Or sorry, our 9th glass pebble. And we're going to get 9 buttons to fill under these spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we can spread these out and give all of our pebbles a button. 6, 7, 8, 9. I was counting in my head a little bit. Okay, so we made 10. We had 1 and 9 to make 10. All right, so let's put these back. And we'll clear off our buttons. Okay, next, we've already done 1 first, so let's try 2. So we need to get 2 buttons. 1, 2. Okay, let's count how many pebbles need a button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's find the 8 right here. And now we can count out 8 more buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can give these buttons to our glass pebbles. 7, 8. Okay, we made 10 again. We had 2 buttons and 8 buttons to make 10 buttons. All right, let's clear our numbers and clear our buttons. All right, next up, let's try 3 buttons. Okay, let's get 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think you know what time it is. Let's see how many glass pebbles don't have a button yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see the 7? Here's the 7. We'll put 7 right here. And let's count 7 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Okay. Oh, that one almost fell in the crack. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we made 10 again. We had 3 buttons, and then we added 7 buttons, and now we have 10 buttons. Okay, let's keep going. I'm going to clear these. Okay, we just did 3, so let's do 4. We need 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many glass pebbles need a button? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's the 6? Ah, here's our 6. So let's get 6 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great! We made 10 again. 4 buttons and 6 buttons makes 10 buttons. Okay, whoops. I'll move these first. Let's keep the same pattern and clear our buttons. All right. So next, let's take our 5. And let's get 5 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's count how many more we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Well, this is very interesting. I only have 1 5. So what I'm going to do is put it in the center, right here, between the ones that do have buttons and the ones that don't have buttons, and we're going to remember 2 5s. Okay, we just need to remember that. So let's count out 5 more buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we made 10 again. So we had 5 buttons and we needed 5 more buttons to make 10. All right. I wonder if this next part will be really simple for you. I wonder. We're going to keep going. So maybe you remember some of the numbers that we already had. We're going to continue going with 6. So let's get 6 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wonder if you remember the number that needed 6 before. Let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you think it was 4? That is so interesting. Let's get 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so this time we had 6 buttons and we needed 4 more buttons to make 10. Let's put this one here, that one there. Okay, we finished 6. So now we're going to start with 7. Let's get 7 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I wonder if you remember what number we used before with 7. Let's find out how many more we need. 1, 2, 3. Were you thinking 3? We do need 3 more. Let's get 3 more. 1, 2. This one's tricky. 3. 1, 2, 3. And we had 7 buttons and we needed 3 more buttons to make 10 again. All right, we're almost finished making 10. We have just a couple more. So let's start with 8 this time. 8. Let's get 8 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what number was with 8 before? Let's see. We need 1, 2 more. It was 2. So let's get our last 2 buttons. 1, 2. So we had 8 buttons and 2 more buttons made 10. Okay, 1 more left. Let's clear these. Okay. Lastly, let's put out 9 buttons first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, how many more do we need? 1. You got it. We just need 1 more to make 10. There we have 10 buttons. Okay, so we had 9 buttons and 1 more to make 10. Very nice work. If you followed along for that entire presentation, you were very busy. Very nice. Okay. Now we can clean up. Our buttons are cleaned up and we can put away, well, you can put away whatever you're using. I'll put away my glass pebbles. And we can stack up our numbers. Okay. Excellent work. Thanks so much for joining me today. See you later.